Welcome back to the solar porch and off-grid inverter project for level 2 leaf charging. This is video 2, the frame construction step. All projects have to start with good planning and good design. So this project was started with the beam design formulas, which were used in a Excel spreadsheet to help find the right materials. In the upper left, we've got yellow cells indicating the dead load, the solar panels, the rafters, the unistrut. And then in the orange cells, the live load, which in Ohio is the snow, and then that's divided by 2 to get the load for each beam, the ridge and the eave, and that creates a modulus. The step I did next was creating a chart that showed the modulus divided by the section of the different lumbers to see which lumber I would choose. So for the ridge beam I did a 2x12, and by the eave beam I did sistered up 2x6s. So the minimum safety factor for the beams is 8. And I could have gone a little bit less on the beams, but if some's good, more is better. So here's the final plan of the porch. There's 2 sections, a left and a right. 4x4 posts on the front and the back, and then this is a side view of the solar panels on top. And then we're going to get into the material procurement. Here we're picking up stuff at Menards. It's important to get everything square. If the frame's not square, the building's not going to be square. So this is the maximum height. Here is the frame getting put together, getting all my angles right, getting all my distances right. Measure twice, cut once is really true in a project like this. So here we're starting to see the rafters come up, everything getting snapped in. Everything's triangulated with steel cables. Again, the core principle is this has to move. Now we're seeing the solar panels go up on the unistrut. This is a job where it's nice to have more than just one person doing it. Wasn't a luxury I had. So here we're getting the solar panels up. This was a solo project, getting all 16 of those guys up there. But the result was what we wanted. Here we've got all of the screen panels snapped into place, and it's starting to look like a finished project. Still have some holes at this point. There are hurricane ties and ridge ties and every kind of tie holding those rafters on, and now we see the gables all screened in. So next we're going to get into the design and build of the battery, and then for video 4 the inverter charger, and number 5 the home wiring and integration.